Continue the parade they are doing today. See that? Continuance of the parade. They are doing today. They are showcasing what they have as regional people, like their tradition, you know? Everything they have, both their old traditions. See order. You see order. This is what they are doing today. They are doing parade. They are showing what makes them to be Catalonia people, what they have regional, you know, what is their tradition that make them to be different from other countries. You know, upon they have regional state, you know, which is all states should govern themselves, then still asking for total independence. Yeah, then still ask for total independence, which is anytime this government here, Spanish government, is not a stable government because of Catalonia is not accepting their terms. You know, they are not accepting their terms because of very soon you hear that Catalonia now is on their own. You know, so why people, you don't see nobody shooting gun or doing that or doing the other one. Everything was made peacefully. You know, share this video because other people are not fear. You know, like these ones here now. This is their local police. Now it was the one man that created these two local police here. Now they are regional police. This is what they call their regional police here. You know. So I say God bless you and to Kerim knows here.